Alright, so my code's already running, but I am going to give a brief, I'm not too sure how you want to do this video presentation, but here is a quick run through my code. I'll obviously submit all this code as well. I just want to showcase it here before I run it. Now, if I go over here to run, we'll see the green light over here turn on to show that it's loaded, and it'll start the Morse code as intended. There it is, and it's going away now. So the Morse, or the string that we're using is my name with my red ID. Thank you.